Funding, credit, finance, business owners. I know, I get it. Content sometimes just absolutely sucks because it takes so much time, resources, and that time can be focused on better things. Well, in this video, I'm showing exactly your solution to make sure that you put out consistent content because we know you have to, and do it in a very, very efficient way so you spend almost little to no time doing it. Let's get straight into this video. All right, now we go on to Albert over here. Sounds like you need to do a lot more content. If you're thinking that, the answer is yes. Bro, if you are thinking that, then yes, you already know you need to do more content, literally. Let me show you something really quick, Albert. Sometimes content, people get overwhelmed with content because they're like, hey, I don't want to hop in front of this. I don't want to hire somebody to record content for me. But it doesn't need to be so highly produced or edited or whatever. It can be as simple as a B-roll / cinematic post. I talk about Mikkel over here a lot of freaking times. He's my first student over here that we worked out with. He's one of these guys that I literally told him, you got to quit your 9 to 5 because you're making less money because it's fucking 9 to 5. Him and his wife went all in. He went into his fucking closet to pull out all the shit in his closet and started going on content full fucking time with his wife. His wife quit her 6-figure career. He quit his, he wasn't making 6 figures at the time. His wife was making a little bit more money than him, but they both quit. Went full time onto just content creation and also scaling up with ads. What I'm saying though, bro, is that when he first started out, he was doing, directly talking to the camera, just like how I am right now. My ads, my content, I'm directly talking to the camera because I like doing that. I do enjoy doing that. I like talking to the camera. I like practicing it because because every now and then on the mastermind, we also do host live events as well too, where I do talk in front of all you guys. Sometimes we partner up on live events and I'm talking to fucking hundreds of people, bro. So I want that type of practice, in which case I'm talking in front of a camera, so I don't do the ums and use filler words and stuff. What I'm saying though is not everybody is like that. Not everybody has the time to be able to do so. Yes, you can implement systems to make it a lot more quicker and efficient, which I have, which like, yo, every single Sunday, it's like my recording day, in which case for 3 hours, I already got my topics over here. These are my feedback loops. I just record. Very, very simple. And then I also have a VA that just chops up all of my discovery calls, and when I provide value, and he highlights it and throws it onto social media as well too. What I'm saying though is that it can be even simpler than that. What I'm saying is that you can use what I call cinematic posting. Cinematic posting, Albert, is Mikkel. And I'm also going to share his Instagram here. He's also on Discord, so you can also message him. Albert, take that link I just threw on chat and take a look at his page really quick. I'm also going to throw his, did Jay just jump back on again? Interesting, whatever. I'm also going to throw his Instagram over here onto Money Chat. Add to here. Mastermind people. Copy success with Mikkel. You can tag Mikkel in here too. Boom. Yeah, so you can also message him directly. He's probably gonna try to sell you on some sort of course because he's got something new. He's got his own mentorship package. But the strategy is the same over here. If you took a look at Mikkel's page over here, oh, I wonder if I share on my phone if that will work. Let's try this out real quick. Whatever. I don't want to waste time on that. I'll figure this out for the next call. All right, guys. I just dropped on the Zoom chat over here. Take a look at Mikkel Bennett really quick. So what I want to make a point on here is that Mikkel Bennett, let me stop. Blue background, cool. Take a look at this, guys. I don't know how well we can see this. Jump on his Instagram right now. But he has a couple of posts where, look, he's just talking to the family over here. Over here, he's talking to his wife over here. He's walking in front of his house over here. He's reusing this cinematic post because it performed well. What I'm saying is, Albert, you might not be too comfortable hopping in front of a camera like this every single time. That's okay. But you need content. Because you just told me that, hey, it might be my content that's causing my ads to suffer, which that has a direct correlation because people clicking your ad, they're going to take a look at your social media. You better believe it. So with that being said, rather than directly setting up a podcast studio, rather than talking directly to the camera, do what I call cinematic posting and implement this strategy, in which case you are going to the gym, you're hanging out with family, you're going on vacation. I'm sure your spouse has a whole bunch of videos and pictures of you going on vacation and hanging out with the family. Whatever you do, keep on doing it. I love hitting the shooting range. So a lot of times I'm recording videos where I'm literally at the shooting range. And I take those videos and we just do my hobbies, which is great because it relates to the people, and people that you relate with, they like you more and they're more likely to buy from you because they like you. What I'm saying is keep on doing that. And then when you have a cinematic posting, take all those cinematics, those B-rolls, whatever you want to call it, take them and throw into Google Drive. on the Google Drive, your editor is going to have access to Google Drive. Okay. And then your editor gets into that Google Drive. They're going to use that ChatGPT that was trained based upon that feedback loop, based upon your sales calls for the ChatGPT to give you SEO-based copy. Copy that's not the type of person you want to work with. Remember those pain points I was talking about and the feedback loop? All that stuff is then going to be used with your VA to develop these captions for your cinematic type of posting. So Albert, you need to pull today, bro, is you and your wife go through your camera roll, grab as much of these cinematic type of posting and B-roll type of shit, throw into the Google Drive folder. Then get some sort of VA to start consistently grabbing those B-rolls, bro. Get access to your ChatGPT that you are programmed based upon sales calls and develop a system so that the content is on this raw drive folder. VA jumps in the drive folder, edits it, adds caption, uses the Go social media planner to then schedule out your entire freaking month of posts, and then you just go in there and just press approve on them all, or comment on something that you might change. And then boom, it automatically distributes to all your social profiles, bro. And boom, content is done. And you don't have to change up anything. Like you think about to do this, minimum wage is $3 an hour. Let's say you need them an hour a day, 30 days, $100 a month, and content is done. Like if that piece like brings you in one more client at $1,000, that $100 that you're investing, fuck it. Even if you're paying $300 for a VA for this, that's gonna be worth it tenfold. And just the fact of the matter that it's going to help your ads as well too. You need to implement something like this today. Okay. The way that I got Albert, did that make sense too? Because next I want to talk about Danny's piece of content that he made here. And then after that, I want to talk about how we're going to recruit. Danny, I freaking love this, bro. Fuck yeah. Good shit, bro. It's fucking simple too, bro. You know, it's so fucking only suggestion, you know, it's a very, very video, bro. Also incorporate your family on it. As I see over here that you have somebody record you as you go. That's cool, but incorporate your family on it too. Like you see, it looks like you're over here, you're in front of this like tiki bar place. But go to that tiki bar, have a drink with your wife, put up your phone over here, and just record yourself like laughing at some jokes. You know what I mean? Because yes, this is a very, very simple video that you did, and it's going to work. Because the most important part is that consistency and the type of content that you put onto here. But you're gonna find that, you know, usually things like with your family, different things like that that relate a little bit more with the people that you're trying to attract will perform better. And then what you're gonna find, Danny, is that you're gonna have these couple pieces of cinematics. Bro, I'm not saying that this is bad. I love this. I'm so fucking happy you're implementing this, bro. Because exactly, hell yeah, bro. Good shit, bro. What I'm saying though is if you look at Mikkel's stuff, he has a couple of B-rolls over here that is just like him in front of this car that he knows is a proven B-roll. Okay. Maybe it's like Danny, you're at the bar, you're drinking a mimosa with your wife or whatever it might be, and that's a good B-roll. And then every single time you post it, it's considerably doing double the views than everything else. You're gonna have that. And then all you're gonna do, bro, is take that B-roll and just have the editor just repost it. You know, which is not it. Because you can repost things. You know what I mean? So Danny, what you're doing right now is again, go through your freaking camera roll again, bro. Because you probably have a couple of videos of you doing a vacation. Maybe you and your wife or your go-karting or something fun, bowling or something, showing personality. You mean? Show that personality on it. Because people relate with personality. People buy from those that they like. You know, one of my whenever I hop on a sales call, a discovery call, is I do one of two things. I try to make the person laugh or I try to get the person to curse. Because that immediately breaks the trust me, like me more. And I'm a lot more likely to be able to get that guy to buy from me. Danny, what I'm saying is you're in the right direction. That's awesome. And I'm glad you're implementing that system. I'm so happy you're doing it because you're going to find it's going to make yourself convert so much better. But what I'm just saying is just experiment with that B-roll a little bit.